Yeah, she got a good fish.
LoraLee's got a fish.
Hot fish.
Yeah, look at there.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You caught more than Papa now.
What you got, LoraLee?
Fish?
Fish. You gonna put him in the water?
You gonna give it a little kiss?
I see it's where it's flying.
You see what? That's my bobber.
Why is it your bobber?
You see, you got a yellow one. I got a red.
Why you let your bobber go?
I didn't let it go.
You let it go, then.
Let me reel mine in first.
I think you got a fish.
No, Peppa got a knot.
Can I throw it in there?
Just a minute.
I see the bait ball go back.
Yeah, Paul needs to get his in first out the way. Okay.
I want to see it. Okay.
We're ready now.
Ready?
Reel it in. Reel it in. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Stop. It ain't on there now. He's playing with it. Look, probably got your bait. Bait stealer.
Can I roll it in?
Yeah, reel it in. We'll put some more bait on it. Oh,
She
you
got
a
a
fish
fish
on it.
I can't roll it in.
Oh my God.
Darn, I got a little one. Darn, I got a little one.
LoraLee, that's a bass.
It's a baby bass.
That's a baby bass.
Gotta put it back in the water.
It ain't real.
Yeah, it is.
Can I put it in the water? I'm scared.
I'm on my dad too.
Yeah, I'll get it. Here's LoraLee's little fish.
Little bass.
It's a little bass. Come on, LoraLee, let's throw him in the water. Oh yeah, I'll do it. He's gone.
You want to catch him, but you're scared of him?
Look here, LoraLee. Hey, you having fun? Okay, I'm starting.